In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Facebook page. Alright, so I'm starting here on my browser, and the first thing I'm going to do is go to facebook.com. I'll just type that into the address bar and hit enter, and once the site loads up, I'm going to make sure I'm logged into my account. If you're already logged in, you should land right on your home feed. From here, I'm going to move over to my page, so I'll go ahead and find it through the menu. Usually it's on the left side or under your profile icon. I'll click on that, and now I'm on the page that I want to delete. Just make sure you're on the correct one before continuing, because this process applies to the page you currently have open. Now that I'm on the page, I'm going to look for the settings option. It's usually somewhere along the side or near the top depending on your layout. I see it here, so I'll click on settings, and that opens up a whole new panel with a bunch of different options. Once that loads, I'm going to scroll down a bit. There are quite a few sections here, so I'm just slowly moving down until I find your information. It's not right at the top, so just keep scrolling until you see it. Alright, there it is. I'm going to click on your information, and that opens up another set of options. At this point, I'm looking for access and control, so I'll click on that, and this is where Facebook gives you control over your page's status and data. Once that opens, you'll see options related to deactivation or deletion. Now I'm going to select delete page. This is the option we need for permanently removing the page. I'll click on that, and Facebook is going to bring up a confirmation screen. This is normal, just part of making sure you really want to go through with it. So now I'll click continue. It might show another message or a bit more information about what happens when you delete your page. I'm just going to move forward again by clicking continue to delete. And that's it. That's the final confirmation step. Once you click that, your page is set to be deleted. Just like that, the process is done. So yeah, as you can see, it's mostly just navigating through the settings and confirming your choice. Just follow along exactly like this, take your time with each click, and you'll get through it without any issues.